Okay, and we're recording. So virtual students, you're gonna get to watch what we're doing in class. I'm just gonna record it and then I'll play it back to you, or I'll drop it into Canvas for y'all. Okay, who wants to read their directions for me? Okay, Jaden, remember you're gonna have to go slow. Okay? And you're gonna have to speak loud. Has anybody else got them pulled up, ready to go? Want to tell me how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Okay, ready?
Okay, so first step, you actually want to make a peanut butter sandwich. Get 2 slices of bread, in this case the saltines,
Okay.
and lay it down.
Okay.
I was assuming it's bread, so I said you could toast it if you wanted, but that was optional. Step 2, get peanut butter and jelly from your fridge or pantry, and set them near the bread. Get a butter knife out to spread.
Okay.
Use the butter knife to spread the peanut butter on one slice, and do the same thing with jelly on the other slice.
Okay.
And then you combine the 2 slices of bread and cut peanut butter and jelly on the side. Okay, alright, fine. Technically what I said was combine the 2 slices of bread, one side peanut butter, one side jelly. Yes.
Okay. That would have been more specific, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it good?
And there's peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm not gonna eat it. Okay.
I just
All right. Who wants to go next? Bring me your instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If not, I'm gonna start calling on people, so get them pulled up. Huh?
I can also tell you how to put your sock on.
That's not what I'm doing.
Okay,
I've already got my socks on. Christopher, you got yours pulled up? Okay. Everybody needs to have it pulled up.
Yeah, I want it.
You got yours ready, Lucas?
Yes.
Okay, tell me how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Alright, so first you want to take your sandwich bread, and then you take some creamy peanut butter. Well, I don't know what you have there.
I do.
Alright, and then creamy peanut butter. And you put your creamy peanut butter on the top half of your bread.
Okay?
Frick. Well, that's all. Yeah. Guess I'm a little hosed there. Anyway.
Hunter, come sit right here by me.
I'll show you what you
Actually, sit right over there by me. I don't care what you were doing. Pick your stuff up and move to that chair right there. Let's go. You're wasting my time and everybody else's time.
all my stuff.
Yep.
You can go.
Okay. I got my bread. My creamy peanut butter sitting on my, you said put it on my bread, so I'll put it on my bread.
And then you want to take, next you want to take your grape, oh great, this is going to go well. You want to take your grape jelly and put the same amount and put it on the bottom half of your bread.
Okay?
Then you have to put the bread on top, because he said bottom half.
Oh yes.
There you go, perfect.
How's that?
That's pretty good.
Wait, no, because the peanut butter is on the top half.
Ooh. So this one goes on the bottom. And then, but that's not what you said, because the first one you said to put the peanut butter on my first deal of bread, which I did.
You said put it on top.
I said put it on the top.
I did.
So what you can do is you can stack that.
Oh, put it on top of my peanut butter?
No, you put the peanut butter on top of the bread.
Yeah, that's what I
You
did.
put the bread on top of the jelly, because the jelly's on the bottom.
Oh, I got you. Okay. All right, so do you see where being specific is important?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, who wants to go next?
Can I demonstrate how to eat the peanut butter and jelly?
No. Wyatt, you got yours pulled up? All right, tell me how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
I said grab two bread slices.
Okay,
Put them on a plate, set.
put them on a plate. Okay, I'm gonna put them on a paper towel, which will act as the plate.
And then separately, take a scoop of peanut butter from your bread knife, or like a knife piece, or yeah,
What am I gonna get the scoop with?
It doesn't matter, just do it.
Huh?
bread knife.
Did you have that in your instructions? Read it to me.
Grab two bread slices, put them on a plate, separate. Grab your bread knife
Okay, I missed that.
and take a scoop of peanut butter
Okay,
and rub it on all over one side of the bread slice. You want to only do the same for peanut butter and jelly. And then two slices together.
wait a minute, do the same what?
And do the same for the jelly.
So, what do you mean do the same for the jelly?
Like rub jelly over,
Okay.
over one side.
You gotta be specific. You have to tell me that, because doing the same doesn't really mean anything. Does that make sense? Okay, go ahead. What's next?
And then put those two slices together, peanut butter and jelly side touch.
Okay. Is that it? Okay, he did pretty good. The only thing is, and remember this, when you're coding, you have to be very specific. So if you said do the same thing, what would that have meant? You did coding last year. What was a loop? Anybody remember? Nobody remembers what a loop was in coding? Where you loop it around and it does it again. So you couldn't do that with peanut butter and jelly because you have two different components. Does that make sense? So you'd have to give specific instructions on spreading the peanut butter and spreading the jelly instead of doing the same thing. Make sense? Okay, who wants to go next? Go ahead, Ethan, read them to me. You didn't do it?
No, I did.
Go ahead.
Once you get the bread, you grab two pieces. Then you get the peanut butter and jelly.
Got them?
Lay out the bread and put the peanut butter and jelly on one.
Lay out the bread and put the peanut butter and jelly on one. Okay. On one or on both? On one?
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. So you see where you gotta be specific. You ready, Jordan? Read me yours.
First you get 2 slices of bread,
Okay, I got 2 slices of bread.
then you get your peanut butter and jelly out,
I got my peanut butter and jelly out.
get a butter knife, and put the butter knife in the jelly or the peanut.
In the peanut butter or put it in the jelly or the peanut butter? It don't matter?
So you can choose.
Yeah, you choose.
Okay, I'm gonna do jelly. It's in the jelly.
And scoop out some and put it on the bread.
Okay? I got it on the bread.
Put the jelly and peanut butter and put the 2 breads together. And
No, wait a minute, go back. I put the jelly on the bread. What was after that?
spread the jelly and peanut butter and put the 2 breads together and done.
So where do I spread the peanut butter? You didn't tell me? Okay, all right. So this one, we're just gonna have a jelly sandwich. All right, let me do one more. Who wants to, okay, Christopher, tell me what to do. So I get 2 slices of bread, lay them flat side by side. Got it. I got a butter knife.
Is that a katana?
Bread, say it again. Okay? Okay?
And you put the pieces together, peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay?
And you get it.
And I got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, very good. Okay, so can anybody tell me, because I know I had some of you last year, what is this called in computer language? What are we doing? We're giving step-by-step instructions. Anybody remember what it's called?
I know what you're talking about, I don't remember.
Okay, on your laptops, I need you to go to Google Docs.
Oh, right.
All right. Let me get over here where they go here. Now my board's kind of wonky, John. Okay, you are going to start in Google Docs a computer science vocabulary list. And this one's going to be for Unit 1. So you can just title it however you want to in your Google Docs. And the first one that we're going to do is algorithms. So you need to put this into your Google Docs. Algorithms are a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations of other problem-solving operations, especially a computer. In simple terms, it is a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. What did y'all just write up for me?
A simple task.
Simple task, an algorithm. You gave me specific instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Then you were also supposed to have chosen one of the other simple tasks and told me how to do that as well. Now, from looking at Canvas Gradebook, some of you did not do this assignment on Friday, so I'm going to give you time to complete this assignment today. You need to go in and write instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and then you can go back to your Canvas, the assignment from Friday, and pick one of the tasks from Simple Tasks. And you need to write instructions on how to do one of those tasks. I don't really care which one, you just pick one. I had a question on Friday from some people. How do you drop in 2 documents into one assignment? Does anybody know how to do that? Hunter? Go ahead.
So it says like choose file, and there's like a little plus sign.
Uh-huh.
You press the plus, and it'll say like add a file.
Yes. You have to, if you do these in Google Docs, you need to download it. And all you have to do is go to File and go to Download. Once you get it downloaded, it's on your computer. And when you go to turn in an assignment, you just click on that Choose File, and it'll pull up your Google Docs, and you can find each one of those. But you have to download them first. Otherwise, it can't find them. Or if you just go to your Google Drive, it'll let you only put in one at a time. But if they're downloaded, you can put in more than one. Okay? So make sure you get both of those turned in today. Okay? Any questions on what an algorithm is? Yes, Ethan? What about what?
Not about the algorithm.
You have another question? What's your other question?
Definitely, submit everything else slides.
If they're on slides, you should be able to go down where the box is that you turn stuff in and click on your Google Drive. And out on the left-hand side, the little color things, you're going to look for a yellow one because that's what the slides is. And whatever you titled it, it should be there.
And I can only submit one at a time.
Yes. Are you talking about the instructions? Did you do them on slides? Yes, you can only do them one at a time. You can't do two at one time, I don't think. Go back to your slides and see if you can download it.
Yeah, it has to be a PDF.
Has to be a PDF. Can you download? Go to File, left-hand corner over there. Will it let you download them?